Talk about the EC or the Election Commission criteria for someone to be recognized as a national or a state political party. First, I speak about the national political party. There are two criteria. One, or the first criteria, is that a party should get 6% vote in a national or a Lok Sabha election. That is, out of every 100 people who have voted in India, a party must get 6 or more than 6 votes for it to be classified as a national political party. There is an or option to the first criteria of being a national party itself. If you cannot satisfy 1A, you have to satisfy 1B. Or you need 6% vote in at least 4 different state legislative assembly elections. I repeat the first criteria. A party to be classified as a national political party must get 6% votes in a national or a Lok Sabha election, or it must get 6% votes in 4 different legislative assembly elections. Second criteria for EC to recognize someone as a national political party is that the party must get at least 4 seats in the Lok Sabha elections. So only and only if both the criteria are fulfilled is a party recognized as a national political party. I repeat, what are the two criteria? One, either 6% vote in the Lok Sabha election or 6% vote in 4 different legislative assembly elections. 2, minimum 4 seats in the Lok Sabha. Only when both these criteria are fulfilled is a party recognized as a national political party. Example, in Lok Sabha 2014 elections, the Aam Aadmi Party got 4 Lok Sabha seats. However, it was not recognized as a national party because it did not fulfill the first criteria. It is very well a state political party representing the state of Delhi. However, it has not been given the status of national political party because it did not fulfill both the criteria. Second criteria is a state political party. So, minimum 6% votes in a state legislative assembly election of that particular state. And second, minimum 2 seats in a state legislative assembly election of that state. So, once again, what are the two criteria for being a state recognized as a state party? Minimum 6% vote in a state legislative assembly elections, or minimum 2 seats in the state elections of that particular state. Now, so if someone actually fulfills the criteria of being a national or a political party or a state political party, then what? Then those parties are referred to as recognized political parties, and their candidates who are representing them in the election, whether at the national level or the state level, are given a symbol to contest on. For example, the Congress has a symbol of the hand, the BJP has a symbol of the lotus. Some state parties like NCP has a symbol of a watch, while the Shiv Sena has a symbol of a bow and arrow, if I'm not wrong. So these are recognized parties. NCP and Shiv Sena as recognized state parties, while BJP and Congress as recognized national parties. NCP, I believe, also has the status of a national party. We'll come to that later. Now, what is a national political party or a state political party in itself? A national political party is one which has a presence, symbolic, if not an electoral victory one, in every state, every city, and every union territory of the country. Typically, there is a very strong high command that a national political party has, and they decide what they decide. Even if individual state units disagree with what they decide, typically everyone has to follow in line and decide and follow what the state leadership says or the central leadership says. A state political party is one whose presence is limited to a particular state and do not really have significant or any presence outside that state. So an example could be the DMK and the AIADMK. These are two Dravidian Tamilian parties who do not really have a presence outside of Tamil Nadu. So and their policies, their attitude is more reflective of improvement and more state specific, while national party has to keep the national outlook in mind to be relevant, so to speak. Congress and BJP are the key national parties. Some other parties have also narrowly achieve the criteria of being national, but in a true sense, Congress and BJP are the only national parties, while the other parties typically are state parties, even if they are given the status of national parties.